Hello, I'm Donnie Stone, Director of Training and Technical Publications here at Vanair Manufacturing. In the past, what things has society coined as instant? Well, we have instant coffee, instant food, and of course, instant gratification. Now, and only from Vanair, we introduce the patent-pending XERO rapid blowdown manifold tank design for underdeck air compressors. This exclusive feature delivers instant blowdown time for immediate compressor re-engagement to get your crews back to work quickly. So why is this important? When the rotary screw compressor is turned off, the system goes into a blowdown mode to relieve the air pressure in the system. Traditionally, this blowdown process can take up to a minute and a half. Meanwhile, the system cannot be restarted. No equipment operator wants to wait for more than a minute for the compressor to blow down. This slows productivity down and just is not an efficient way to operate. With Vanair's unique and exclusive manifold design, there is no action required by the operator. Our new XERO rapid blowdown system completely releases the air in seconds, enabling the operator to re-engage for the next task at hand. The XERO system also allows for vehicle repositioning and quick system restarts each time the vehicle is moved. Another important reason this feature is so critical is that it virtually eliminates any potential oil leaks, as well as eliminates costly oil carryover issues associated with other aged-old systems currently in the marketplace. Why spill your oil on the ground or saturate your tools wastefully? And over a 10-year period, this exclusive XERO feature can save you upwards of $10,000 and reduce maintenance costs per truck. Now that is some real savings. Additionally, the XERO tank provides uniformity with our new manifold design tank. This helps with quicker upfit installs, more dependable and efficient performance, less maintenance, and huge uptime savings compared to other systems. Doesn't it make sense to have the most reliable compressor with the biggest cost savings and the quickest restart in the industry? We think so. With the XERO rapid blowdown manifold tank, you're reassured your underdeck system will quickly get you from one job to the next, help extend the performance and profitability of your equipment, and save thousands of dollars in maintenance costs versus the other antiquated designs still found in the marketplace. Thank you for your time. For more information or a demonstration of the patent-pending XERO rapid blowdown manifold tank by Vanair in the field, in action, please feel free to call or visit our website.